Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for e-commerce and online retail business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, let's enter the website. Now create a new site. Here, enter your business type, search for your business type, e-commerce and online retail. So for example, let's choose this. Enter your business name, type any business name you want, and if you want to skip, you can just click here and you're gonna skip this. So let's move on. Here, if you want to add something on your website, so go to the dashboard. Now wait a few seconds, preparing your dashboard. Now go to, if you want to design your site, click here. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or here if you want to customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. Now here, enter your information, your name, your email, your address, and your phone. And here if you want to add a social link, so let's move on. Pick a theme you like, so for example this. Now pick your favorite homepage here, so for example this. Now let's move on. Here if you want to add pages to your site, so for example this and this. Now let's continue. Now wait a few seconds, preparing your homepage design. Now your site is ready, and if you want to design your site more, you can add elements here. So the first element is the text. If you want to edit the size or the shape of the writing, the text, the titles and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the next element. Here if you're looking for something, here you can upload images, you can import images, and also here if you want to show more images. So let's move on to the next elements, the button elements, the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the image buttons, document buttons, and items buttons, the payments buttons. So here if you want to edit the size or the shape of the button, you can just hold on it and put it on your website, and that's it. Let's move on to the next element, the strip. Here you can do classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, and testimonials, and theme. Select any one here, just hold on it like this and put it on your website and it will be done. So let's move on to decorative elements, shapes, the same lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. Here the vector art elements, the featured, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and badges, the characters, and here the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. So let's move on to the boxes elements. Here the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. Let's move on to the gallery. Here if you're looking for recommended galleries, you can choose one. Here if you want to edit pro galleries, if you want to set guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries here. So that's it. Let's move on to the menus and anchor, the themed menus, the horizontal menus, the vertical menus, and here the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu. You can just hold on it and push it here and it will be done. The search, like the same thing here, the site search. So let's move on to contact and forms. All these forms, the contact, the order, registration, donation, application, feedback, request, and the waiver and subscribe. Here all these forms you can just hold on it and you can add it on your website. The maps, the full width maps, the maps, and here the chats, the Wix chats. So let's move on to video and music. Here you can edit your video section, your music section here, music elements. So let's move on to interactive, the slideshows, the full width slideshows, the boxes slideshows. Here the light boxes, and here the boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs, the overlay pictures. So let's move on to the list, the overlay pictures and the blank pictures. Let's move on to the embed code, the popular embeds. If you want to custom popular embeds, here the single video players, the video elements, the audio elements. Here you can edit it, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, iTunes buttons, and here the advanced elements, the marketing tools, and the velo dev mode. And the last thing is the animation. So let's move on to the social. You can edit your social bar, just hold on it and put it on your website, Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, or here also the YouTube. You can put it on your website. So the payments, you can edit your payments elements here. Here you can also edit the CMS, easily manage your site contents, the blog, the store. Here you can edit your store elements, the bookings. Also here the bookings elements, you can edit them here, the events and the community, and the last thing is your designs. So let's move on here. If you want to add section, you can just select any section here you want and it will be done. So let's move on here, the page and menu. You can add select any page you want. So here let's move on to the site design. You can design your site. You can design a color theme or a text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you want to add more apps, here you can add manage your business. Also here if you want to upload your media or edit videos and images, you can also if you want free Wix images, here if you want free Wix videos. So let's move on here, the same as if you want to easily manage your site contents. So that's it. Now after done from this, here you can design your website as you like. You can move it the sections if you want to move it up or move it down. Here you can do a quick edit. You can explore section layout, and here if you want to more sections, you can add more sections here you want. So that's it. After you do complete or done from editing your website, all you have to do is click publish and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.